And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have a loaf of bread, and this is the first thing I'm going to handle with a bread knife. Got it here. What you're going to do is you're going to take this out, la tripa, the intestines. Intestines. I like to mispronounce that word. Make sure you take out the stuff out. See? So I have top round steak which are cut in strips. You can actually buy already cut if possible, but if not, you cut it yourself. Top round steak, like if you were going to do a stir fry. And what you're going to do with this, you're going to add some low sodium soy sauce. So you don't need to add salt because the low sodium soy sauce already has some. In addition to that, you're going to add a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Just a teaspoon. What you're doing here, you're playing with the flavors. And then you're going to add a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. You're going to mix this good. In addition to that, got a couple of tubes of garlic and mince it. What you're doing is you're adding flavors to this baby. If you feel that the soy sauce is not enough, you can always add a little more. And then optionally, you can add some coriander, ground coriander, just a little bit. If you prefer pepper, do pepper, but I'm going with the ground coriander. And then I'm going to mix this stuff good. And I'm going to let it rest for a while, so the flavors mix and all that stuff mix nicely. I also have half an onion, which I cut in stripes. I'm going to add them now. And then I'm going to let it rest. You can let it rest for an hour. You can do it overnight. Doesn't matter. I also have a red bell pepper. You can use orange, you can use yellow. I like red for this particular one. They're sweet. If you have some green one, you can add it too, but I'm going solely with red. I have a cast iron, a high heat right now for now. Make sure it's hot, see? And you're going to use oil. A little bit. Can be extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, or sesame oil. Those are the only ones I recommend. Put a little bit. Lower the heat to medium high. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put the peppers. Get this baby sauté. Do this for a few seconds. And now you just add the meat with the onions. And the balsamic, low sodium soy sauce, white wine vinegar mix. And you're going to cook these babies. So you can make a delicious sandwich. If you were to add regular soy sauce, high sodium, then you increase the amount of the vinegar, white wine, to that. What it does is kind of fight, for lack of better terms, the salty taste. You can add a little bit more of the balsamic vinegar too, because you don't want the salt to overtake. And you're going to cook this for about maybe 7 minutes, 8. You just want to make sure things are cooked. Isn't that a beauty? Now, as you're cooking, if it dries a little bit while you're cooking, don't add more soy sauce. Just add about a tablespoon or two of water. You might have to do it a couple times, but this is ready. I have some cilantro handy, and some spinach. So what you do is very simple. Get your bread, which already is cleaned up in the middle, and you start adding this baby. You start putting it together. See? Add some of the spinach. You have a nice sandwich. And then at the end, you add some of the cilantro.